Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing great and are fit and fine. So if you're new to my channel, then hey, my name is Sahili Biswas, and for today's video I will be sharing with you all this beautiful, wonderful and traditional makeup look which I created for the special occasion, that is Raksha Bandhan, which is very near and knocking at the door. So definitely follow each and every steps to see that how I achieve this beautiful look. So at first let's prepare the base, because base is very important. So here I'm using the Color Bar dry oil, and trust me, this is an amazing oil, and if you're searching for a good drugstore face oil, then you can get this one. And I can even compare this face oil with the Farsali glass oil. So now let's move on, and here I'm using the Pond's Light Moisturizer. I'll apply it all over my face and also massage a bit in order to improve my blood circulation. And now let's move on to the primer. So here I'm using the Benefit Pore Minimizing Primer, and I'll apply very less amount on the forehead region and even on the around the nose area. And now let's move on with the eyebrows. So whenever I do heavy base makeup, then I like to do my brow first before starting with the main base like foundation and all those things. So here I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade. So I will fill in the gaps with very gentle strokes, and I will create a very sharp arched eyebrows. And thereafter I will take a concealer which is from LA Girl Pro Concealer. I literally love this concealer, and I will clean the the side of the brows so that I can get and achieve a very sharp and structured eyebrows, which I literally love this step. And then very slowly I will literally blend the concealer and in order to soften the edges. So this is how it looks. I literally love this step, and even you can follow it if you want to get a very nice sharp brows. So now let's move on to the foundation. So here I'm using the Huda Beauty Fox Filter foundation, and as far as I remember, my shade number is Butter Pecan. So yes, I will dot it all over my face, and don't forget your neck area and as well as our ear area. And then I will blend it using a brush, and be very gentle to your skin. Don't just rub it, just pat it on your face. And after this I'll take a beauty sponge and also again blend it a little bit in order to achieve a very seamless and natural finish. So again, let's move on to the concealer. So here I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm applying it under my eyes as well as around my nose area. And after this I will blend it using a damp beauty sponge. So that's it. This is how it looks. And after this I will be taking again a concealer which is light in shade, like 2 or 3 light shade, just to brighten up the areas where I want, that is the under eye, then the forehead region, the bridge of the nose and the chin area and the upper lips. And after this again I will blend it using a beauty sponge. So yeah, before setting my face with powder, I would like to apply all the cream products which I want to apply today. So I want to do a little bit of contouring today, cream contouring today, because I want to create a good makeup today after a really long time for Raksha Bandhan. So here I'm using the Huda Beauty cream contour, and I'm applying it the usual areas, that is the cheekbone, then the side of the nose, forehead region, and also near the end part of the face. I don't know what it's called. So then I will blend it using a beauty sponge and just tap in that region only, and don't blend it all over your face, otherwise your whole face will turn brown. So just be careful when you're using cream contour products, because it's dark in color. And now let's set the face. So here I'm using the Makeup Revolution Banana Baking Powder, and I want to do a little bit of baking today. So I'm just taking the product and I'm just setting it under my eyes, and I'll also cut my contouring so that I get a very sharp contour effect. So I'm cutting it using the same Makeup Revolution banana baking powder. Now just see that how my contouring is looking. It's looking so sharp and so nice on my face. So finally let's begin with the eye makeup. So here I took the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I'm taking a very light translucent color called Eden, and then I'm blending it all over my eyes so that there is a very soft effect on my eyes. So now let's move on. So next I took a color which is called as Blazing, which is a dark burnt orange color, and I'm applying it only in the outer corner of the eyes, and I'm not taking towards the inner corner. So just be careful, I'm just applying in the outer corner, and thereafter I'm taking a nice purplish color which is in the color of like a brinjal. So I'm taking that color which is called as Amethyst and applying it in the inner corner of the eyes. So this is how it looks. It's looking very amazing on the eyes. So yes, this is how it looks. And then I'm taking a little bit of sparkle shade because I thought of adding a little bit of sparkle in order to add a little bit of drama to my eyes. So it's a very nice again a very nice lavender color. Taking that shade with my fingertips and applying on the middle of the eyes. Then again I'm going back with a very dark orange color, and that I'm applying again in the outer corner of my eyes. And finally moving to the lower lash line, I'm taking a brown color which is called as Oud, and with a very sharp pointy brush I'm just blending it in the lower lash line, and then I will dust off all the powder which I use for baking. So that's it. So now let's move on to the another palette, which is the Colorboard palette. It has amazing color. So I have picked up a yellow shade and I just applied it in the inner corner of my eyes. So yes, now comes the most trickiest part of the eye makeup, that is the eyeliner. So yeah, for today's look I thought of doing a very small wing eyeliner. So this is the one I used from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So this is the Sketch Thin Liner. So this is how it looks after drawing the liner. So yeah, again coming back to the bronzer, I thought of doing a little bit of more bronzing to my face. So I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and again just running my hand over the part where I already did the contouring. So yeah, now let's get started with the blush. So I'm applying the Colorbar Cheek Illusion blush on the apple of the cheeks and then dragging it towards the like the outer face area and little bit even on my nose. So now let's get started with the highlighter. So I'm just sweeping the brush to the targeted areas. You know that what are the areas, so I'm just not repeating again. So this is my favorite highlighter. You all must be knowing that this is the highlighter from MAC, and I literally love this highlighter. So now let's fix the face and the makeup using the MAC Fix Plus Prep Plus whatever. This is a fixer, makeup fixer, which you can even use for prepping the skin. And finally the mascara. I thought of not using falsies today because otherwise it will be too dramatic for the Raksha Bandhan look. So I thought of using just mascara, a good coat of mascara, and that's it. And finally comes the lipstick. So this is the lipstick from Smashbox. I forgot the shade name, so I would definitely mention it in the description box. So if you have any doubt about the products, then you can check the description box. So this is how it looks, guys. This is the final look. Hope so you like it. I literally love the way it turned out. So you guys, even if you're wondering that what I have put on my hairs or what are the accessories, then it's nothing but it's the normal oxidized jhumkas which I have used on my hairs just for giving a little bit of drama sort of look to my hair. So that's it. This is the final look. Hope so you like this makeup look. So again, what I want to say is that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And that's it. Bye bye, and also happy Raksha Bandhan.